Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to our lecturer, which is Sir Khairul Mizan bin Taib. Today we're presenting our company, Tech Crafter System Company. So next, so before we start our presentation, let me introduce my name. My name is Muhammad AFIZUL bin Mustafa as a programmer, and Oliver Bramate as a project manager, and Muhammad HAZIQ bin Iskandar as an application developer. So next. So this is a little bit about our company, which is TechCraft is a company established in the year 2001 and was situated at number 2 Jalan Setia to Bandar Setia 81 200 Jalan Baharu, Malaysia. Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Sorry. And bottom is our organization chart. So next. So this is our resume starting from a project manager, application developer, and project programming. Next. So next we move to a business case. So involves Asia at face a challenge like the need for a stable internet connection capability with a new mobile OS and compliance with a data protection law. So this is our financial analysis. In year zero, the project is complete within 2 months, incurring total cost around 100 to 150. And for year one, two, and three, the estimate are based on the next project, assuming the cost will be less than 100 annually. The next. So this is our payback chart, weighting scoring model. Next. Next. This is our kick-off meeting and project chatter. Next. And this one is roles and responsibilities. That's all for me. I pass to the presenter.
Okay, hello. My name is Oliver, and now we will proceed to. Okay, now we will proceed to project scope management. So we will move on to the change request form. So the change request form is the change we apply. So the things that we apply for is to prevent application error and improve user experience. Okay, so it has been approved by the CDIM product manager. And then for work breakdown structure, which is the WBS, the project phases for the main things in every phases. For the initiating phase, the business case, stakeholder analysis, and project charter has been done. And then in the planning phase, the things that have been planned is the UI, UX design and system requirements, execution, development, coding, integration, and testing. So in the monitoring phase, we monitor the bug fixes and performance optimization from the user. And then the closing phase, we launch on Google Play and App Store, and finally documentation of our whole project. So this is the WBS. We start from April until July. Yeah, this is the closing phase. We end directly on 12 July 24, which is this is the documentation already. Okay, I pass to the next presenter.
Project cost estimate for Evo Asia mobile application. The estimate cost range of the Evo Asia mobile application project is between 100,000 to 150,000. This budget covers essential activities across the entire development process, including application development, design, testing, marketing, and potential maintenance post-launch. Overall, the budget reflects a commitment to both quality and cost efficient, ensuring the success of the application. What is Project Human Resource Management? Project Human Resource Management focuses on the efficient management and leadership of human resource within a project. At Evo Asia, Project Human Resource Management plays a vital role in the organization's success. Acting as a mediator, the company connects advertisers and publishers across Southeast Asia through the robust affiliate marketing platform. This requires a strong foundation of skill and well-managed human resource to keep the platform operating smoothly and effectively. As we can see here, this is a organization chart for Evasia and our company.
Okay, thank you, HAZIQ. Okay, now for the communication management plan. So first topic is stakeholder communication strategy. So there are three strategy internal strategy. Our company use daily stand-ups, sprint updates, monthly reports. For the external, we have pre-launch announcement, newsletter, in-app guides, and for the risk management, we have a direct escalation for critical issue. So when for this risk management, we involve Asia use direct escalation whenever there's an issue arise. So stakeholder communication analysis. So as you can see, this is the stakeholder that we have involve Asia. And the communication method, mostly they used an app using the best called Basecamp. Okay, so this is basically it's like a group WhatsApp, but they have a lot of features and function for a project team to work together. So as monthly, weekly progress report. So the completed tasks in this involve Asia, the business case, stakeholder register, project charter approved, and research phase completed ahead of time. So and then the next steps for the report, they need to finalize UI UX design prototype and budget approval, and also the step during this report they begin the development phase. So issue and mitigations. There's a delay in stakeholder feedback, early review sessions, pending cost approval, and prioritize budget finalization. So, so this is the milestone report. So this is the milestone report. As you can see, the milestone started from this is the main milestone, which is, as you can see, there's the date of it, and then there's also status. The completed one is the initiation phase, and then the in progress is the planning start and design approval, and there's still pending status, which is the development phase, testing complete, and app submission. So actually, the milestone report is during the development progress. I pass to the next presenter.
Introduction of risk management. Risk management is a crucial component in the successful execution of any project, especially large-scale one like the Evasia mobile application project. There's the four top risks of this company. Number one is technical risk. The second one is customer feedback and reputation. The third one is user experience. The fourth one is regularity and compliance risk. And the lastly is testing a quality assurance.
Okay, so this is the closing phase. In the closing phase, we have the client acceptance and project completion. So the client acceptance form, yes, it has been in the form, the project completed, and this is the sum of the points prepared in the form. And then the lesson learned report, there's the scope, time, cost. So for scope, all planned features delivered, time completed within schedule, cost within budget. So the success criteria, it enhanced usability, so increased application for brand affairs and high stability. Key lesson learned, so the early stakeholder involvement prevents approval delays. Usability is key for better adoption rates. So these are the two main key lesson learned during this project in upgrading version to 1.6 apps. So final reflections. What went right? Excellent teamwork and defined roles ensure smooth workflow. What went wrong? Underestimated complexity. Some features required extra time. So for what went wrong, the underestimated complexity issue is, for example, there's during the bug fixes, which is the monitoring phase, There's some features like the interface design. They need to check whether uh, whether the interface have working properly on both operating system, iOS and Android. So this is the thing that they underestimated. So future improvement, more precise time, resource estimation, stronger stakeholder communication to avoid delays, and lastly, enhance automated testing and better launch planning. So this is the final reflection of Project Involve Asia. So to answer the question number 5, question number 5, what is the difficulty I face during using the Microsoft project system? So first of all, I face the complexity of user interface. Secondly, is difficulty in setting up a project schedule, because it took me some time to understand the dependency from finish to start, and start to start. And then the last one is the resource allocation issues, which mean the people or the resource person that I need to allocate, it take me quite some time for me to learn how to uh, allocate the right resource for each task, especially during the first phase, which is the initiating phase, because uh, the interface is quite difficult for me to understand. So that's all from my part. Pass to the next presenter to answer the question. Haziq, have you answered?
Alright, thank you, Oliver. Okay, the second question is what the risks that the organization have to face in completing the project or system development. Alright, the first pertain to technical challenges such as app crash and server downtime. This issue can disrupt operation and frustrate user. The root cause often lies in poor code quality or inadequate server resources. Triggers like server downtime and bug report highlight the need of immediate attention. The second risk is customer feedback and reputation. The second risk involves negative customer feedback, which can harm the app reputation. Poor reviews often stem from inadequate customer support, leading the user dissatisfaction. Trigger like negative review and complaint emphasize the importance of the user satisfaction. To mitigate this, we aim to enhance our customer service and focus on feature update that address user need. And then lastly, user experience UX risk. The third risk concern that the app user experience. The poorly designed interface or lack of usability testing can result in high bounce rate and low engagement. This issue stem from inadequate design and efficient user testing. By redesigning the interface and conducting user testing, we aim to create a seamless user experience.
Pijol, you have something to explain, answer
Yep.
anymore?
To answer the question number one, the question number one, please justify the need for your system proposal to the organizations. So our proposal focus on enhance the Involve Asia apps to stay competitive in affiliate marketing by improving the user interface experience and adding advanced tools like AI driving insight. We will help a user optimize campaign, boost revenue, and expand engagement. This upgrade ensure a long-term growth, better user satisfactions, and a stronger market position for Involve Asia. And that's all for me.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.